Zoom Escaper helps you get out of meetings by adding in audio effects to make your audio very, very annoying. Take a look at the effects you can add into your calls. Echo, bad connection, upset baby, and of course, urination. So let's set it up and try it out. The instructions are on zoomescaper.com. Download and install a piece of software called VB Cable. It works on both Windows and Mac. This will allow you to add effects into your audio. On zoomescaper.com, switch the output to VB Cable, then hit start. Then head over to Zoom. Go into your audio settings. Change your microphone to VB Cable. Do a quick test to make sure your mic is live. For best results, go to Suppress Background Noise and hit Low. Under that, click the checkbox next to Show in Meeting option to turn on original sound for microphone. Make sure everything underneath that heading is unchecked. Keep this in mind, you will not hear the effects in your own headphones, but everyone else will. Let's go to a meeting.
Do I look beautiful?
Trying to be too stoked, okay? Because it could be all kinds of weird.
You're feedbacking.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, hang on. Let me. Is that better? Better?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Testing. Okay. Where is Bridget? I see her on Slack.
There she is.
All right, we got Bridget Carey here. I wanted to talk to you guys about this this Volkswagen name change. Okay, it's like the stupidest thing I've heard in a while. So I think that it's not the right way to go. You got GM with their new logo, and you got Volkswagen, right? John, what do you think about that?
Construction going on back there? What?
I cannot hear you.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry about that. So John, what do you think about a video on all these car changes?
It's not real. No, this is a stunt. This is like IHOP. No way. It's not real. They're not going to really.
This is real.
You're cutting out now.
All right, hang on a second. Just 1 second. Let me try something. Okay.
Your voice sounds weird.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
We can hear you. Yes.
Okay, so let's get back to this Volkswagen thing. Bridget, I think you could have a really good perspective on this because
What?
you actually.
How are you streaming this?
Okay, hang on 1 second. All right, I gotta. Something's going really wrong.
Something is definitely going wrong here.
Don't take your Zoom into the bathroom.
Okay, so what I've been doing is testing out something called Zoom Escaper. So I can add and make my audio really, really bad so that you guys are going to get really annoyed of like, just get off the call. You heard the urination one, which I thought was...
I think at that point you should just leave, yeah.
I'm gonna play Upset Baby until you guys say, get off the call. Does it sound convincing?
As someone with an upset baby, this sounds convincing.
The babies make me sad, so just 1 second.
That's too real, man. That's too real.
That sounds like you too.
So it's free, it's simple, and if you really want to annoy anybody out of a meeting, this is what's supposed to do. Zoomescaper.com. Use this tool responsibly. I'm Maya Zakhtar, and I'll see you online.